Ours is a battle, not of power or wealth, but a battle for our rights and our freedom. These words of Dr. Balasaheb Ambedkar tell us that empowerment of any section of the society is a myth until they are treated equally before the law. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, respected judges and my fellow contestants. Empowerment of women, children, and weaker sections of the society. Have our laws failed? My name is Jyoti. I am Bhavri Devi, Roop Kanwar, Shaira Banu. I am one of those many faceless women that have struggled and suffered the atrocities. Some of us die every day in your morning newspaper, only to turn into a crime number in the police station and a file to be pushed around in the courts of justice. Gender bias kills over 2 lakh girls in our country every single year. We have various laws that have been implemented for the empowerment of women. But the irony that strikes our country is after decades of implementation of these laws, the statistics that stand before us today are remarkable. Let's take a few examples. The Dowry Prohibition Act was established way back in 1961, yet the recent reports of 2018 claim that 21 women lose their lives every single day due to dowry deaths. After 2015, death penalty was awarded against crimes against women for heinous crimes. Yet the statistics taken in 2016 claim that rapes have gone up from 24,000 to 39,000. An average of 47 to 53 acid attack cases are reported per month. The Protection of Women Against Domestic Violence Act was established way back in 2005. Yet we stand in a country where marital rape is not even considered a crime. Right from birth, a woman has to fight for her rights, as India is one of the countries of the world with the highest number of female feticide. Yes, we failed. Our society has failed, our laws have failed. Failed not only to protect the women, but also our children. Childhood is a period of innocence and ignorance, yet teary eyes and blistered hands begging, no education, no future, no hope. The wealth of the country is not in its economic development or in our natural resources, but in our youth. The Child Labor Prohibition Act was established way back in 1986, and the statistics taken after 30 years of the establishment of such act states that over 152 million children of our country are subjected to child labor. The Avinash Mehrotra versus Union of India landmark judgment stated that fundamental right is right to education under Article 21A of the Constitution. Yet 8.4 crore children do not even enter schools every single year. This is the sorry state of the women and children of our country. Not only this, over the last 2 years, 36,000 cases have been registered under various sections of the POSCO Act. India believes in unity in diversity. We gave the Varna system, which led to discrimination, which paved way for social inequality. Constitutional provisions under Article 17 abolish untouchability. And yet, we have a Ministry for Social Justice and Empowerment. But in the decade of 2007 and 2017 has seen a hike of 66% against crimes and atrocities faced by the SC/ST community of our country. Not only that, from the Champakam Dorai Rajan versus State of Madras to the Indra Sahni versus State of Union of India, these landmark judgments have paved way to uplift these sections with respect to education. Yet the combined literacy rate of the SC/ST community is 70%, and more than 4 crore people of the scheduled tribes are still illiterate. A lack of strong political will, coupled with the incompetent implementation of all the policies at grassroots level, are to be blamed. But the question that stands before us, which we have to ponder over, is whether social change should lead the laws or should laws lead social change. We have to understand that the laws are in place. Our rights are safeguarded not only by legislation but also by our constitution. All we need is enforcement, strong and powerful enforcement. Revolutionary judgments coupled with stringent punishments and laws to be enforced from the grassroots level is what will pave way for a more tolerant and equal India. the kind that we will be proud of. Concluding, I would like to say, when we empower our women, children, and the weaker sections of our society, we illuminate the souls of humanity. Thank you very much.